The key differences between small and large group health insurance plans. My name is Mark Hirschlag, CEO of Cosmo Insurance Agency. For more info on employee benefits, check out the playlist below. What defines small group versus large group health insurance? Well, small is anywhere between 2 to 50 employees depending on the state you're in. Large is going to be 50 plus employees. There are many various factors that go in here. So the look back would be in the previous calendar year. So for example, right now, we're in 2024. So you want to do a look back from 2023 if you are a full 50 plus count in 2023, and that's what will incur in the next following years. So now going into 2025, we do a look back on 2024 to see if you're small group or a large group. Coverage and plan customizations. Of course, if you're under 50 employees, it will be pretty tough to customize the exact plan you would like to see. Today more than ever, with these small businesses, we can customize those plans for you as best as we can with utilizing the level select plans and some semi-self-funded plans. When you're 50 plus, we could customize it even more, obviously, by matching exactly to what you have right now, showing you apples to apples and a potential savings on your monthly premium. Of course, if you're small group or large group, you must comply with the ACA guidelines. So if you're a large group, you're required to offer health insurance for all your employees. If you do not offer health insurance for your employees, then you may incur a $2,000 penalty per employee. And if it's unaffordable for your employees and they go into exchange, then there is a penalty if it's unaffordable as well, and that could come back to bite you. So it's important that the ACA guidelines, and for small businesses, all the filings, you must file everything according to the ACA. So which means your employees have to receive the filing, and employer, you have to report all the filings as well. So how do the costs compare from small group to large group plans? Well, large group has to go through underwriting. If it's small group, I'm able to generate a quote instantly. Literally, just give me a call. I'll get you a quote within 5 minutes for a small group. But large group's got to go through underwriting. So of course, large group will be based off the sometimes claims history of your company or, the demographics. But small group, it's a flat underwriting. Now, today more than ever, we do have options for small group that are treated as if you are a large group, which is amazing. We're able to get those underwritten quotes for small groups. So if you're a 5 plus enrolled in the state of New Jersey, there's a lot of opportunity out there for huge savings for your company with health insurance. Risk pooling with small group versus large group. So of course, when you are a small group, there is zero risk, which means, for example, I have a company with 30 employees enrolled, let's say 40 on payroll, and I'm a small group plan, fully insured plan, and there's millions of dollars in claims. It's not going to affect my renewal at all. But if I am a large group and there's millions of dollars in claims, yes, I might be seeing some significant increases. And as a broker, you have to be creative on how to minimize those increases for your large group plans. So how do employer contributions vary between small group and large group? Obviously, the larger group probably more of a higher contribution there will be, but really it shouldn't make a difference between if you're a small group and large group. The contributions are really what we do as a benchmark. So we benchmark your company. So if you're a manufacturer, you're professional, whatever type of industry you're in, we'll benchmark to see what your other competitors are offering out there, because you want to know what your competitors are offering so that you can be aligned with what they're offering so you don't lose any employees. So that's really what's most important when it comes to employer contribution.